Peter Branson's book, How to Create an Empire on Airbnb Without Owning a Home, offers a strategic guide for individuals looking to build a successful Airbnb business without the financial burden of owning property. Branson outlines a model where hosts can leverage rental arbitrage, property management, and creative partnerships to grow a profitable short-term rental business. Rental arbitrage model. Branson introduces the concept of rental arbitrage, which forms the backbone of his strategy. In rental arbitrage, the entrepreneur rents a property on a long-term lease and sublets it on Airbnb or similar short-term rental platforms. The key is negotiating with landlords who are open to this model and ensuring that the rent is low enough to generate profit after Airbnb's fees and other costs. The book provides a step-by-step guide on how to approach landlords, explaining the advantages of short-term rentals for property owners, such as higher overall income and well-maintained properties. Branson also emphasizes the importance of understanding local regulations and obtaining the landlord's permission in writing to avoid legal issues. Setting up the business. Once you secure the property, Branson dives into setting up the short-term rental business. This includes the following crucial elements. Furnishing the property. Branson stresses that the property's appeal directly affects its profitability. He recommends using a mix of quality, budget-friendly furniture, and smart design to create a visually appealing space for guests. Creating the listing. Effective marketing is critical. The author offers tips on writing compelling descriptions, using professional photography, and optimizing listings for search visibility on Airbnb. Pricing strategy. Branson discusses dynamic pricing strategies that can maximize revenue. Using tools like smart pricing software and adjusting rates according to demand and seasonality helps hosts remain competitive. Guest communication and management. Managing guest expectations and providing excellent customer service is crucial for maintaining a high rating. Branson offers templates for communication, including initial messages, check-in instructions, and problem resolution scripts. Scaling the business. A major focus of the book is how to scale the Airbnb business beyond 1 or 2 properties. Branson discusses several growth strategies. Expanding the rental portfolio. Once the first property is running smoothly, Branson advises scaling up by adding more properties using the same rental arbitrage model. He also introduces co-hosting and property management as additional income streams. Co-hosting allows entrepreneurs to manage other people's properties for a percentage of the revenue, providing a low-risk way to increase earnings without the need to lease more homes. Automation. As the business grows, automation becomes essential. Branson suggests using software and systems to handle pricing, guest communication, and cleaning schedules. Automating these tasks reduces workload and allows for the efficient management of multiple listings. Overcoming challenges. Branson doesn't shy away from discussing potential challenges in the Airbnb business. These include navigating local laws and regulations, dealing with difficult guests, managing property maintenance, and handling market saturation. He offers practical solutions for these obstacles, such as researching local laws thoroughly, having a solid insurance policy, and diversifying into different property types or markets. In conclusion, How to Create an Empire on Airbnb Without Owning a Home provides a comprehensive roadmap for aspiring entrepreneurs looking to enter the short-term rental market without property ownership. By leveraging rental arbitrage, offering co-hosting services, and scaling through smart management and automation, Branson's approach can potentially yield significant financial rewards. The book is a practical guide filled with actionable tips and strategies, ideal for anyone looking to start or grow a business on Airbnb.